So hanene yanza
I want you to be
bang.
here. People need to see your
Where
work.
is he? Kale nsooka neneyanza bbange olw'ekiroozo nti ya feelings I deserve this. You know, it's the little things that count. Omuntu ayinza okukiraba nga ekintu ekitono naye nga kinene. So for me, the fact that omuntu asobola omucontactinga nga njagala nkolera ekifaananyi ne mukyalawo. We were not even married at this time. Ebifaananyi bino byali by'e Nairobi. We were not married. So nanga kino ekintu nkyagaliza mukyala wange now because I'm his wife. So it's amazing. It's beautiful.
It wasn't a simple thing.
Yeah.
Mr. Rutaya kulimbya chatu ani extend kubanga kulese munesa wazo
Angambi actually we're coming for dinner. Then nangamba nti naye ne ku dinner waliwo surprise waliwo omuntu yatukolera ekifaananyi so njagala nkikutonere nkikuwe to ending up here. Yeah.
Tubadde tuwulira simanyi kweli ebiseera byakolamu ekifaananyi Sale mwami mukyala we, but for now ndi mukyala we. How does it feel okubeera mukyala w'omuntu?
It feels good. It feels amazing because it's so good that I love my husband. Lutaya is very chilled. He's very down to earth. He's different. There's something different about him. So it feels good to be his wife, and I'm sure it feels good to be your. You feel good for me to be your wife, and for you to be my husband. Yeah.
Of course, you're influencing a lot of people, a lot of women. Abantu balowooza nti okay, Zari kati right now ayina guy mutoko ku myaka gye, ayina abaana, ayina omulimu. Omuntu yandyebuuziza Zari akafumbirwa emyaka emeka? Nze nnyinza kubeera ntya okubeera nga Zari? Nnyinza kufumbirwa emyaka emeka okutuuka okubeera nga Zari?
Nti omuntu alina okufumbirwa emirundi emeka? Ekisookera ddala sifumbirwako mirundi mingi. Nali nnyanjuddwako mutata abaana bange abasooka sifumbirwangako. So I think, I mean, you are the guy. My husband. Yeah, so okunterako like, you know, empeta is like, you know, I want you to be my wife, and I don't even know how you did that.
You mean the
Someone yanyanjura. It was public knowledge yanyanjura naye tetwasambako kadali and everything, and you know, rest his soul in peace. He was a great person, but Lutaya yasoose okunteekako empeta officially to say, you know, nkoze nika, you are my wife. Yeah, so ekyo okuddayo ku kibuuzo ky'obuuza nti omuntu alina okuba nga afumbiddwa emirundi emeka, tolina kuba nti wafumbirwa emirundi mingi. Nze gwe busoose okubeera officially married. 42. Yeah. So tekirina age. I mean, waliwo omukyala bamuyita Queen, si Queen Elizabeth Taylor, owa yafumbirwa until 80 something, myaka 78. So tekiriko age. At the end of the day, it's about Allah. Agenda kugamba nti ogenda kufindinga your person when. And once Allah decides that, to say ku myaka gino ngenda kukuleetera omwami wo, and then so be it. Yeah.
Balowooza nti no bw'okula simanyi wezeza emyaka emeka tolina kufumbirwa.
Gofumbirwa dde?
I'm married.
Are you married?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
When did you get married?
2018.
That means you've been married for 18
So many years, babe. Yeah.
That's a nice thing.
Ekirala kyakonyeeko ekyokugamba nti okay, ndi a bit older than my husband. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam yafumbirwa, peace be upon his name, yawasa omukyala nga mukuluko. Tekyakyukako nti yafumbirwa Hadija nga mukulu. Ate n'ekirala, it's never about age. Abantu bakuliriza nnyo, we are in the 21st century. Abantu bakuliriza nnyo ebintu by'emyaka nti oli omukazi amusinga emyaka, alina abaana and things like that. One thing I've always asked, nzirayo emabegera ne mbabuza ekibuuzo, kale Lutaya musinga emyaka jojuwera naye abantu andaba nga kibebi kye. It's okay, baby. I love it. Temukera nko ku makya ne mubuuza nti naye omusajja ow'ensanvu nga yawasa akawala akabiri mu etaano. You never ask questions. But when it comes to the female gender, it's a big issue. But when it comes to the male gender, you guys never raise chovolanze. I don't live with society standards. Society has set standards nti olina okuba ng'oli muto bawo nga mukuluko. Naye ate ennaku zino tubalaba nga bansanvu n'akuba embaga kawala kamyaka kazzukulu ke ne musirika. And it's a big issue when it comes to female. Kitabo ki kye bakiwandiikamu ekyo? Which I want to know. Bwekiba nga ekitabo gye kiri nti amateeka Allah ge yateeka ku nsi kuno gano tegakkirizibwa nga ne mutume yakikola. We are going to break the rules of the society. Because even the Quran, Tamaya Hadija was someone's wife at whatever age it was. So yes, I'm older than Lutaya. There's so many questions. Olinabana, ogena muzalira. No, there's always questions. Olinabana, onamuzalira. By the way, just for public knowledge, my husband has a son. Tamteka uncle out. Let me be the responsible wife. We have a son. It's about 2 going 3. My husband has a son. So it's not like Shakib Tazalanga ko namuzalira. And yes, we intend to have more children, because nchazala.
Some question is
Because he has a son, and personally, I am open to having, I think I've made statements before where I've said I want to have 10 kids. No, for real. No, like in my life, I literally wanted to have 10 kids because I come from big African families, abazali baffe bazalanga nnyo nga mama walina mwenda eri balinayo bameka. We come from those type of families. I know mutayinza gamba why you stuck in that era, but I grew up from big families, and it was beautiful growing up in big families. That's why I think I always wanted 10 kids. So if people want to know, are you gonna have kids with Shakib? Yes. Yeah. Am I going to carry the kids? Yes. Are you going to surrogate? Yes. Is there another option? Option 3? Yes. We are going to have kids.
Why are you talking about the surrogate thing?
Whatever, because people are always like, oh, sobola. I can. Everything is possible. Nchazala, so yes.
So you're thinking to wechinatuka ekiseera nga owulira tukyasobola kusitula nnyo mwana osobola surrogating because of
Kajanja nti tulina emibiri ate biki ate olubuto.
Ibra, olina question tuyagala obuuza.
But it's possible. Ibra. Yeah.
Should we send Shakib okubona kuteekako empete abala tebali serious this time around? Shakib, I think omusajja gwazula ali serious.
Baali naye buli muntu aba n'engeri gy'akolamu ebintu bye.
Baby, I still go back to Allah because we've had ku dunya, we have a lot of things that byetweyagaliza byeyagala ng'omuntu, but at the end of the day Katonda kwagaliza ki? Njagala okubeera nono, and then God has other plans. Nagamba nti olaba nze kino kyenkwagaliza. I dated Shakib way back, and then we went separate ways. I don't know how we found each other again. Netukomao. And then coming back together 1 year later, he's like, you know what? I'm going to make you my wife. That's it. Engeri gye twagenda separate ways. I even, we didn't talk for a while. Then all of a sudden to come back together a year after getting back together and we get married. If it's not God, what do you call that?
Zari is 42. Shakib olusi batugamba 42. Yeah. Wamutandika kale mwatandika kubanga ki nga Shakib wamusanga alina myaka emeka okusinzira cause
I was obviously younger. No, I wasn't 40 by the time I met Shakib. I wasn't 40, and regardless, we're going to go back to the point where age is not an issue right now. And if it's going to be an issue where you're thinking females are dating younger men now, first of all, abasajja betu you know dating abawala bato babatwala da.
Ekyo kibuuzo nkikoyenze.
Babatwala kati abawala bato ba dating abasajja bakulu betu you know so but regardless, I don't think an age is not oba namwagala tweyagala tuli bato nga mutoko nga era age difference eritennaggwawo. Oba nali mu 30s nga ali mu 20s kati ndi mu 40s ali mu 30s, age difference eritennakola ki?
Tennakyuka.
Tennakyuka.
Naye